Welcome back to JJ's Garage. This is Eric. It's been a couple weeks. Sorry about that. A lot of stuff going on, life in general, whatever. But back at the bench here. Just want to give you a little update. What we got going on here? A little progress. Paint, obviously, on the Yamaha is done. Front fender right here as well to go on. Nice little pinstripe on there. See if it'll zoom in. If it will. Yeah, you can see what it is. Exhaust is fabricated, cut to length. It might shorten a little bit. Just kind of playing with it a little bit here. But it's kind of the right height it's going to be. Oh no, of course, now it's going to fall apart on me. Things are just mocked up. It's not the wheel it's going to be on it, but it'll be that size. It'll be a wire spoke. Back one as well. I think the back one's going to be the one that came with the kit. Front one's going to be the one from the older Revell RM Customs, I believe, bike. The Ace of Spades, I think it was called. But that's going to be the spoke wheel in the front. And then you can see what I got going on the back here. Behind that is the knucklehead. And paint springers put on the front. Just glued it on today. Exhaust is on. Seat is fabbed and painted. However, I do need to glue it on yet, but here it is. This is it. Scratch built. And then painted. And then hit with some panel liner on the edges. And then the whole thing actually. And then kind of sanded out in the center a little bit to give it a little bit of like wear look. Weathered. Made the seat pan. Made a pivot for it. Either you're going to make springs that go underneath it, or you're going to set up just a little bit, maybe just probably some springs. Probably look better like that. Dashboard is painted. I'm going to have to do some little right here and here with some red and green. I'll leave the switch black. Decal wise, I'm still looking through my stash to see what I have. I gotta look some more and see what we'll figure it out when I get there. And then the velocity stacks are now black. Those will be probably going on today as well. Nice and shiny. No contrast. And for you semi guys that might be out there, this is an engine stand I fabricated a while back. For some of the truck ones that I've done. Give me a second here and I'll grab the engine, one of them that I have for it, so that you can see how it works. It's a Cummins big cam. It's for my 359 Peterbilt. But I fabbed it up to fit most of the engines that were going to be out there for the kits. Sits in there pretty nice. Just scratch built. See, I've done some semis too. I really don't have a whole lot here. I can show you the chassis, but that's boring. I have a lot of projects going on. I'm kind of like some of you guys do that start projects, kind of get through them, get bored, and go on to another one and start with that too. Trying to focus on these two in front of me. In the meantime, I've also picked up the Toll Scale Camaro Z28 and also a Italeri, I think that's how you pronounce it, the WLA 750 kit. That one there is going to be kind of a chopper-esque, old school, weatherized, not nice and clean like these guys here. That'll be a little bit down the road. But also at the same time, like I said, life's going on, but I have some other stuff going on behind the scenes as well. Taking my own personal Harley and getting it ready for paint. Did some body work to it. Got some colors picked out, and I will have a video of that coming up soon. I might even just do an update video of what I got going on so far, and then maybe the rest. Or I'm just going to do the whole thing all at once when it's all said and done with the reveal and everything. But stay tuned. That'll be coming up. Shouldn't be much longer. Everything's in primer, just about. A little bit of wet sanding to get that stuff knocked down and make it perfectly smooth and ready for paint. Keep watching, and I'll update you as I go. Guys, have a great day. Peace.